pupunta kami ng Bulacan. O, diba? Monday na Monday. Pupunta kami Bulacan. Yes, we're going to Bulacan because it's my Princess Iday's birthday. Yay! So, hihintayin lang namin si Kuya Mati na lumabas sa school kasi first periodical exam ni Kuya Mati today. And then, magla-lunch lang kami ni Daddy kasi nagugutom na kami. Tapos, ayun, pupunta na kami sa Bulacan. See you there! Hi guys! So yun, papunta na kami. Ay, si Daddy.
Punta na kami kila Iday. Guys.
Say happy birthday, Day!
Happy
Birthday, Day, Day! Ay, nasundo na namin.
to you.
Nasundo na namin si Kuya Mati. Ayan si Daddy Pogi. Ay, inip na kakantay sa amin kanina. See you there. Well, konting ads lang.
Full na. Full guys. Full na.
Pabayad na si Daddy. Anong pambayad mo, Di?
Ano? Video. Video. You know, guys. Nandun na kami.
Okay, ang lakas ng ulan. May naputa kami na malakas na ulan sa end. Nakahazard na si Daddy B kasi ang lakas talaga ng ulan. Parang zero visibility. Hello, we're here now. We're here now, we're near and here. Malapit na kami, guys. Malapit na kami. Malapit na kami, guys. Nandito pala yung friend ko, si Jemar. Hi, sis! Nandito pala yung friend ko, si Jemar. Hello guys! We're here na! Happy birthday, Yana! Happy birthday, Yana! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Uy, ba't wala pa sindi? Nagkagulo na. Happy birthday to you. Oh, blow mo daw, blow. Blow.
Malakas.
Oh! Yay! Wow!
Sige na.
Bakit? Anong gano'n ni Kuya? Yun lang eh. Kuya, kain ka daw.
Madamo yan. Wala ko ng kanin. Ilocano yung isa. Nainas.
Hindi mo ka lang dun. Hindi makapo, no?
Isa ko.
Hindi ka makapo.
Hello guys, good morning. Hindi na kami nakauwi. Lasing. Lasing ka ba? Nakainom mo siya kagabi kaya hindi na kami nakauwi. It's 4 o'clock a.m. na. September 24. Yun, kinabukasan. Dito pa rin kami. Pauwi pa lang kami ng Manila. Diba? Yun, inom pa. Hey guys.
Wish I could get through to you, don't know what to do to you. Anything I say will come off as wrong and you're not alone. Something feels out of place but you have no tell.